So everyone making a channel for the YouTube purpose. So how to increase my views and subscribers? So everyone know about the Facebook. What is the purpose of Facebook? To promote our videos or content to reach the audience purpose. Based on your friends, you can add your friends and we can reach the audience. So in this particular option onto the Facebook, how to increase my YouTube subscribers? First of all, here two options. Facebook page, you can increase the subscribers, or we can option name is called Facebook Ads Manager option. Facebook Ads Manager. Click for ad. Your previous ads are running here. So based on the budget, viewers will be 2000 rupees we are spending. We are reaching for 3,42 members will be reach. The 860, 1 lakh, 151, 4,000 reach. 112 reaching will be this one. This will be US. So US budget will be little bit increase. Come into the India amount. Now clear the campaign option. In this campaign, we have a lot of options are there. First of all, the three category: awareness, consideration, and conversion. These three main categories: awareness, consideration, conversion. Awareness nothing but we can increase your awareness. What is your business? People know about awareness. The awareness will give button will be shop now, book now, subscribers, any option will be given. Reach audience, we can reach your business. Little bit change, not more. Show your ad people who are most likely to remember them. This is only for remember purpose. Reach. Show your ad the maximum number of people we can reach in. Awareness is nothing but oh, somebody is there into this market. This awareness purpose. Website traffic. Send people to your website app or Facebook event or let most of the call. This will accepting for WhatsApp call, messages, and everything. When you click this option, different. This will be engagement. Engagement will be three options: post engagement, event likes, page likes. Nothing. Video views, view purpose. Lead generation is a highest priority. Lead will be calculated by Excel sheet. We can contact the customers who will interested our service. Last one, messages. This option. Now we are what the option name is called traffic. Now I have looking for to people reach my business or I can give awareness. So I go to where awareness option. Each option will be different. I'll show the two things: awareness and reach campaign. Click for continue. We can go to first step. First step will be add the campaign name here. Action. What the option name is? Awareness. Next, we can click for next option. When coming to this one, so here the minimum daily budget is called 75 rupees. So this will be coming to the 75. Now they will be converted into the 76 rupees. Previous 74, now 75. Now it is changing for 75 rupees point 58 paisa. So previous 74.40 is accepted. Now changing for with how much? 76. In a 76 rupees, we can reaching for 8,800 to 25,000 peoples. Daily budget, daily results, not for monthly results, for weekly. They say about the based on daily budget. Suppose I'm say for 500. 50,000 to 1,66,000 will be each here. So how much a budget will give? 80 rupees per daily. Along with tax will be go to the 100 rupees. So my budget will be daily spending for 100 rupees option. Start date. You mention end date. So here, what is the I'm not mentioning date? When I'm not mentioning date, anytime I can change image and content link also. Same ad. Ad is running. I can changing for image, content, link also when running ad time. But what are the changes you've done? They go to review within 1 hour, the review will be active stage. So that is the reason existing ad, don't mention the end date. But some other campaigns compulsory asking for mention end date. So here, so that is called what are the campaigns are there. I'm not mentioned end date. The reason is called this is the main reason. The campaign anytime I can change image, content, and link also. Next one, target audience. My target audience will be entered India or particular Hyderabad. Hyderabad area. Up to again area will be suggested for 80 kilometers. 80 kilometer will be surrounding will be here. No, I have to target by the by selecting here arrow. We can see this one is they go to the down arrow where India location will be searching for Telangana. So how much people will reach 8,900 to 26K. The arrow will be post relationship will be 1 crore 29 lakhs people will be reach the particular option. Suppose if I'm selecting for Hyderabad, Telangana was removed. How many potential traffic? 78 lakhs. Previous crores now will be 78 lakhs. Now I decrease the kilometers. Traffic will be 8 lakhs, 88 lakhs people will be a particular traffic. I remove the kilometers 32, 23. How much? 74 lakhs. So when I decrease the kilometers, automatically potential is also will be decreased. See, reach also will be changed. 7,000 to 22. Previous 8,000 to 26. Now 7.6 to 22. So these are the traffic will be changed based on the audience will be decrease. So based on the audience placement, the traffic will increase and the potential is also will be increased. So now my target will be Hyderabad. How many kilometers? Up to 23 kilometers. Sir, can I add another location like Warangal, any other location? We can add any location. So it is. So the particular arrow will be given. So based on option, we can check from here. Say location. Anything you want, here will be there. So already I'm adding this option here. Next, age. This age up to I can target by the up to 45 years age groups. So 8,000 to 23,000. So this much of age, 18 years to here. So which age we can start? They start from 13 years to 45. But my target will be 15 years. Suppose here the traffic will change. Automatically, RS will be increased 8.7K to 22K. Next, language all. This is the very important. Nothing but what are the interested target? But this will be target from not enabled. Why? Because this is awareness campaign. Awareness thing, but I can show my post each and every one. So the detailed traffic not enabled. Detail nothing but only for customer candidate, SEO candidate like this. We can go to this option, but this option will be disabled. Why? This is awareness ad. Awareness thing, but we can awareness to each and every person to reach your business. So and so business will be there into the particular location. So go and check it like this. Save audience. And very much important is call your particular placements. The manual, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Audience 12. These are the particular ads. Each ad will be different places. When go to face, this is one type of ad. This is a one type of ad. How to know this? Sponsored. This is a video ad. And they go to where? Learn more. So about the option. No, what is my placement? Manual. In this one, which campaign you're not interested? Remove it. Finally, check the audience reaction for the estimation traffic and here 71 lakhs. Remove from the two options. I only target by Facebook and Instagram option. So that only here will be options. Next, what we can click for? Next. And every Facebook page connecting Instagram will be compulsory important. Connecting Instagram. So automatically the page will connecting for Instagram. So the ad will be publishing where at a time? Facebook and Instagram. But it is same. Visible ad will be Facebook and Instagram also. After this one, we can promoting for single image or single video and multiple images. This image size will be 600 by 600. Next will be collection. So if you're selecting here in this create a media or audio file, upload, where exactly your option thumbnails are there. Then ratio, stories, reel, instant videos, feed, instant videos, search results, and instant articles. These are the image properly show or not. You can check the image properly. Everything done. After that, your stories done. Total ads will be displayed. Facebook feed, Facebook instant article, video is not showing. Why? I'm adding image, not for video. A video feed, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Stories, Facebook search results, Instagram feed, Instagram Stories is not a video. Instagram Explore, Instagram Reel is not a video, so I'm not showing a video. So two option disable, Messenger and audience network. One more question. Sir, I'm disabled by audience network and messenger option. Can I enable once again? Can I enable also? Go to back, enable that option. Next, add your content. So I have select the content with the hashtags. Go to this. What you can clap? Add your website. But what we can check this. See how do we can show free online digital marketing course with the certificates by Google. So copy, just little bit changing. So here I have to copy the what are the topics we have discussed. Is it clear? Everything there? Particular. Total 12 placements. How many? 12 buttons. Sign up, subscribe, watch more, send message, listen now, apply now, book now. What we can click for? Watch more. Or else click for subscribe, where you can show for subscribe option. But here, when you click for watch more option, people go to your channel. What if you can click for subscribe channel? So which option is better? Watch more is better. Suppose I'm giving the subscribe option, the people will click the subscribe. They go to a channel. So their direct subscribe will be not possible. So when people click for watch more or watch video, so what happened? People come to our channel. When people will be coming to your preview channel, they show like this. This is the mainly reason for what we can option will given watch more option. Finally, what we can click for publish. Your ad will be published to this option. What we can go for publish this option. This ad will be published to go to the review stage. After we can, Facebook team will be checking and activated by the within 1 hour time, maybe within 24 hours. So I'm saying within 1 hour, some ads will be not approved within 1 hour. So there's a major issue. Is it clear? So this is the campaign structure. So right now we are running for total 4 campaigns. The another campaign added by here. So what you can stage will be in review option. Once activated, you get the notification. Your ad will be running from the stage. So simple. I'll show you how to visible to the users. Here is schedule will be running this option. So these are the ad creation for YouTube channel subscriber purpose. Suppose your website, contact us, sign up, learn more. What are the options are? Video, subscribe, learn more. We have to use watch more option. These are the feature we can give. So when you add running time, you have any query, click this, edit. What are the changes you want? You can change anytime. We can change your button also. Running time, you can change your button also. Second thing is called, you are changing your placements. Where the, forget this two placements. Enable the two placement, they go to the review stage. These are option also available when you're running the campaign time to the visible to the audience. So any changes you've done, Malli remaining we can go to this publish. You once again go to review, accepting for within 1 hour time or within 24 hours time. So this is the way we have to increase the YouTube channel watch videos and subscriber. Always remember, subscribers have to create campaign. So when you get the subscribers, people interested to watch your video, they will like, definitely click the subscribe option. That is a major important for the YouTubers to promote the video on the Facebook option. If anybody have queries about Facebook, any information, you can contact my channel. We definitely assist you.